Hello, today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot a dishwasher that will not respond to its start command for power. I've completely lost power on the entire display here, and this is obviously already, if you've already checked your circuit breaker panel, it's not that. I know that my circuit breaker panel is live, but I still lost power and I lost it mid-cycle. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how to check the thermal, I should say check and replace the thermal fuse. All you're going to need is a hex bit that fits into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws here. And this is a slightly older model. I know the newer models have a flip down lid. This one's quite simple, quick and easy, especially if you have a drill. So I got those screws off. Make sure you just set those off to the side. You don't want to lose those. This just very gently pulls off. So once you pull that off, there's just a little tab off to the left here that allows you to open that cover there. Okay, so once you get your cover removed from your circuit board, what I did is I just sort of set my drill there. It kind of makes a good weight to hold the dishwasher door in place. And this fuse right here is the fuse. This is your thermal fuse. That is the fuse that blows. Why, I don't exactly know. It does it on mine every so often. Obviously it's some kind of protection fuse. I don't know if it's that I'm running, you know, other things at the same time, but obviously you want to, I'm going to say again, disconnect your power so that your power isn't live. That way you don't get zapped. That's the fuse right there. Okay, so once you've taken your terminals off, the easiest thing that I found is a little pry tool here. You just kind of insert it, kind of pull it out just a little bit there, and gently pry out. Once you get one side, you can get the other, and then it just kind of pops out very nicely. New part that I got from Amazon, all you're going to need to do, the model number is usually right on the inside of your dishwasher. See, mine's a Kenmoore. It gives you the stock number and the MOD number, serial number. And all I did was search on Amazon my model number and thermal fuse. And so obviously it comes with some new, you know, wires and whatnot, but you don't really need those. Those haven't gone bad. I mean, I guess you should examine yours thoroughly and make sure that you don't see any burnout. Mine are clean. My terminals are clean. So, okay, so what I did is just I put my inside cover back on. Usually what I'll do is okay, once that's on tight and snug, give it a lift. Thermal fuse replacement successful. Press and hold start. You're ready to go. Now it's working.